The city of Dnipro spans both banks of its eponymous river, with its historic center on the elevated right bank and the lower-density left bank featuring multiple Dnieper tributaries. Urbanization and remote work opportunities have spurred suburban housing development within a 35 kilometers radius from the city's heart, especially along the Dnieper's Oreli and Samara branches, as well as around lakes and canals. Amidst these trends, the questions of harmonizing modern houses with forests and optimizing construction in evolving woodland communities arise. The coexistence of contemporary residences with pristine woodlands is a viable prospect, achieved through strategic design, symbiotic materials, and engineering solutions that converse with nature. Balancing resource use during construction and maintenance, thereby respecting the natural ambience, requires meticulous planning. To synchronize the iconic image of modern private houses with local climatic nuances, a nuanced adaptation process is essential. The outcome is an unobtrusive dwelling on Dnipro's outskirts that integrates gracefully into the encircling forest, respectfully altering the landscape. Its unembellished facade conceals an energy-efficient core. The house's fenestration faces southeast and southwest, while the carport aligns with the region's prevailing northeastern winds. Innovative structural elements grant the enclosing walls double the standard heat loss resistance. A heat pump functions for heating, hot water, air conditioning, and recuperative ventilation. Locally developed electrically heated stained glass windows offer winter warmth. Employing regional resources, metal and wood, ensures thoughtful exterior cladding and interior ornamentation. This results in a cottage that aesthetically syncs with the environment and fosters a sense of unity with nature.